Sweet corn chicken soup. Today we will make this all-time favorite soup of all. Sweet corn chicken soup is not just tasty but also very healthy and nutritious. It makes our bones strong and helps to prevent joint pains. It is number one remedy against cough and cold. It also increases our immunity because it has so many vitamins, minerals, and of course, protein. And as a result, it boosts the energy levels. Sweet corn has omega 3 fatty acids, which reduces the risk of heart ailment and heart attack. Sweet corn has fiber and vitamin B3, which helps in reducing cholesterol level in the body. It promotes heart health and it has high folate and antioxidants, hence good for pregnancy to form healthy fetus. It also helps to recover from anemia and preserves healthy skin and hair and nails. Now, let us see how we are going to prepare this sweet corn chicken soup. We will need 1 cup of boiled shredded chicken, about 3/4 cup of boiled sweet corn. Half you take out in a mixie jar and make a paste out of that. Keep one saucepan on the fire and put 1 teaspoon of ghee in it. Add 1 teaspoon of spring onion to it and fry it well. Add the shredded chicken to it and also the remaining sweet corn. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder, the ground paste of the sweet corn. Saute all this for about 2 minutes and then you add 2.5 cups of chicken stock in which you boil the chicken, or you can add even plain water. Stir it well. In the meantime, take 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, add little water, about 1 tablespoon, and make it into a smooth paste. We are going to add this paste to our soup.
We will just add cornstarch gently.
Now you will take 1 egg white and gently beat it and very slowly add it to the boiling chicken soup. This is how, little at a time. Let it cook. Stir it constantly, okay?
Add salt according to taste.
And now add little bit of sugar to enhance the taste and let it cook till it is thickened. It should take about 5 minutes and then you put off the fire and garnish it with spring onions like this. Sweet corn chicken soup is ready. Serve it in the bowls and enjoy healthy, nutritious, very tasty sweet corn chicken soup. Try it out today and let me know in the comment box how it turned out to be. Thank you for watching.